Hello, how are you today? Do you remember me? I'm your teacher Claudia. Yes, yo también, igual que ustedes, estoy en mi casa. También me estoy cuidando y espero que ustedes también. Pero les mando este video y algunas actividades para que sepan que yo no me he olvidado de ustedes y que ojalá nos podamos ver pronto. Entonces, vamos a comenzar. Seguramente ustedes ya vieron el video del hello. Do you remember? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Ahora les voy a presentar unas nuevas palabras, ya para que las vayan viendo. La idea es que ustedes vean y repitan. So listen and repeat. Let's learn some new words. And now, here we go. Okay, here we have the first picture. So this is a crayon. Crayon, crayon. Listen and repeat. Crayon. These are scissors. 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 This is a pencil. 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 This is a pencil case. A pencil case. Pencil case. This is a table. 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 This is a chair. 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 This is a computer. 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 Well done, children. Now the idea is that you watch again and listen and repeat. So now, tengo otra actividad para ustedes. Los papás se las van a pasar. Cuando la tengan, pick up a crayon as you want. Okay? So, look at the activity. On this activity, you have to listen. You must be ready. Deben estar listos with your crayon and your activity. So listen. We have to draw a line. Draw a line. Chair with a chair. So now, listen and draw the line. Match the scissors. Match, match, match the scissors. Very good. Now, match, match the crayons. Match the crayons. Very good. Now, match the pencil case. The pencil case. Match the pencil case. Very good. Now, match the table. Match the table. The table. Very good. Now, match the computer. The computer. Match the computer. And finally, match the pencil. The pencil. Match the pencil. Very good. You can listen again if you watch the video. So now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye and see you next week. Goodbye.